Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this. This is the Revell Bell UH-1H gunship, also known as the Huey. So it's Revell level 3, but that's more based on the part count rather than the skill level. It is 1 to 100 scale, has 70 parts, is 12.8 centimeters by 14.4 centimeters. Safety information on the top of the box. Very good box up, by the way. I really quite like that. On the side of the box, just the same as the front of the box. Bottom of the box, more safety information. Back of the box, paints you'll need, picture of the kit when it's done, and of course you've got safety information there. And of course back here it's the same as on the front of the box. Now let's get into the box. I have already opened the parts, but they're still in the bag because, well, this bag was very good. The parts came in very high quality and it's kept them safe. None of the parts have fallen off. We've got the instructions here, A4 booklet. This safety information little booklet thing, which has the decals in it. Not many decals, but that's fine because it's a very small scale. Right, first page, we've got the picture of what it's supposed to look like when it's done. Second page, got instructions on how to decal the parts. Safety information and what the different logos mean. Paint scheme, I hate the way they do this. So it means I'm going to have to write all the colours that I'll need in the book later on. Sprue Map, I do really quite like these. It means I'm going to be able to find the parts with relative ease because it's all right there. On the first page, you'll be assembling the cockpit of the Huey, along with the top of the rotor bit, Second page is telling you to paint the outside of the helicopter, along with put the glass in and assemble the inner bodywork. On this side, it's telling you to put all the detail stuff on. And then finally it's showing you how to put the rest of it together, along with the paint scheme. Only one paint scheme for this kit, so, you know, nothing unusual. But let's get into the parts. I'm not going to bother going through the safety booklet. Clear parts, get into those in a minute. On this first sprue here, you've got half the body of the helicopter. It looks actually like the parts are quite thin, but no worries. No flash that I can visibly see. Overall very good looking parts, apart from of course the thin edges. Very detailed as well. And here you've got the floor of the helicopter, along with the other half, and extra details. The clear parts here are clear. No, really. They've got injection lines which aren't very good, but they look good apart from the odd scratch here and there. And finally, onto the decals. Going to be quite a short unboxing because there's not too much to the kit, but you know, we're just going to have to deal with it. Decals, they look very nice. Not many of them, but that's because it's in such a small scale, it would be very painful to put lots of decals on. Overall, and now onto my ratings. I'm going to give the box a 10 out of 10 because I can't fault it and I really quite like the way it looks. Instructions, although they're very clear and easy to follow, I'm going to have to give a 9 out of 10 just because the way Revell tells you to put the paints and stuff down. Parts, I'm going to give an 8 out of 10 as well. Oh. For the parts, I'm going to give a 9 out of 10 purely because there's a little bit of injection on the clear parts and the main helicopter body parts seem a bit thin. Decals, gonna give a 10 out of 10 because they're very good looking decals, and although there aren't many of them, there doesn't need to be many because it's in such a small scale. Off the top of my head, this will very possibly be one of the highest rated kits yet, and it's from Revell. Like, what? But anyway, thank you all very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. Have a good day, and goodbye.